Developing news tonight, preventing Medicaid fraud in Ohio. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Administrator Dr. Mehmet Oz addressed alleged Medicaid fraud in Ohio with Governor Mike DeWine during a visit in Dublin today.
And this all comes after reporting by the conservative outlet, The Daily Wire, on alleged home health care fraud in Ohio. 10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash joins us now in studio with what Dr. Oz had to say about the situation here in our state.
Well, Yolanda and Jeff, Dr. Oz said all states, including Ohio, need to have clearer guardrails around programs because if you don't, law enforcement can't go after the fraudsters. But he says he trusts the job Governor DeWine is doing.
We got a big problem. And Ohio is an area that some of this problem has occurred in.
CMS Administrator Dr. Mehmet Oz said that, referring to 38% of Medicaid spending on home health care in Ohio happening in Franklin County alone.
That's 3 times more than you'd expect. Doesn't make any sense.
Oz says the Trump administration believes Ohio, as almost every state, can do a better job implementing guardrails around home health care.
We've got a massive issue nationwide. I only ask for one thing: partners. Governors that we can work together with, who believe there's an opportunity to make the system work better, who make sure everyone works a little extra to catch these folks.
Governor DeWine recently signed an executive order addressing Medicaid fraud. It allows the State Department of Medicaid to implement emergency rules targeting providers at high risk for committing fraud. That includes requiring providers to revalidate enrollment more often. The state also placed a moratorium on new home health care providers.
So these are things that we're working with the federal government. We're going to continue to work directly with them and to, do everything that we can to stop any kind of fraud.
The governor also estimates the state saves about $600 million a year by keeping Ohioans out of nursing homes and instead allowing them to stay at home receiving home health care. Also, Republican leaders at the State House have said they are working on an anti-Medicaid fraud bill that they believe they will be able to pass in the next couple weeks by June 10th.